how did I get to the piano industry as piano player? Well, uh, when I was a teenager, my uncle made this present to our family, like this small synthesizer. And I really was fond of. I learned all kind of themes on it, like melodies, and there was like helpful chords on the communication part of the synthesizer. It was like an experience. Like I really went into melodies and chords with it somehow by using the music knowledge from school. But then something happened. I wanted to play like Beethoven sonata. The sonata number 14, this famous tragedy. The Moonlight Sonata. And the synthesizer was too small. It was like I couldn't play. This it was too small. The notes of the sonata were of wider scale than the notes on the synthesizer. I don't remember anything else from this sonata, but this very very famous piece, and definitely worth check out the tragedy. And so I had some poker winnings soon. So with these poker winnings, I bought my first digital piano, and I went really deep into music. It was like I think it was one third of my bankroll or something. I bought like this digital piano for I don't know for 600 or 700 euros. I don't remember. It was very big one for me at least. I think it was like 600 euros, and uh, I really studied the practices when I lived alone as university student. So I made sure that I practice regular. Wait, this isn't the end. So that I could play this Beethoven sonata. Like I don't remember this, but I played the whole sonata actually. Well, not the second part, but the whole sonata. I really enjoyed this tragedy. I think it's a good one. And I had this piano in there. Then I went like hiking to Europe. Uh, and I ended up in Vienna, the music capital of the world. And then I got this idea, I had some poker money left, and I was like, I want to take like real piano lessons. So actually not piano lessons, but there's these practice rooms in Vienna, like Klavier Gallery, and so you can just go into the place where they have rooms where you can practice piano. And I bought this like day after day. I practiced on better pianos. Beethoven sonatas, also some other stuff. And he came back from Vienna and practiced again in my home on the first digital piano. And I really started to compose my own music for friends. I had this thing going on. I wanted to make these parties for friends at my home, and also when they were eating or drinking tea, I was like playing something on the piano, and they really enjoyed it. I don't know anything really. So they really like enjoyed those type of parties, like this peaceful atmosphere. It was like ambient, peaceful music or something like. So I really tried to create this beautiful atmosphere for them, and they also sent some songs personally for some friends. So later I moved to my girlfriend's place in another town, and there I didn't have a job, and it was complicated to get a job. So I got the job as security guy. So I was just working 2 months in a security in a big store. And then girlfriend gave me this opportunity to become a pianist because she liked my music or something. So she was artist, so she made this art exhibition. She was artist back then. So in the artist exhibition, I was the musician behind the piano, and I had to play 6 hours a day or something. So I played like all type of improvisations mostly. on the big grand piano, and then I got another gig in a restaurant where I could improvise for the restaurant guests. Like then I met this priest, like relatives of my girlfriend, and this head priest and the leader of the church band invited me to join the church band, and there I learned this more of these chords like in a rock band, like the different like this. Actually, it was more on like strings, so I played the background, something. It was all I did there in the church band. Yeah, I also sometimes I also like they asked me to play on the piano that was there in the church, so I just played some holy improvisations while they gathered the money. So this is my experience with the piano, and I remember as a teenager I was really impressed by Beethoven, very very impressed, and I even practiced in Vienna, to make sure that I follow the right footsteps. But now I don't remember those at all, right? Okay. But that's something, right? That we should really listen to this better musicians and learn.